select the image size and say 3480 by 3480. Okay, you add text. Increase the size of the text. Tap on A. So you change the font to Fast. Alright. You copy. Change the text to W. Okay. So this is what we have now. Now you duplicate the D and go to layers and close it. Okay, so we have this. So you have to merge the two together. Okay, so this is what we have now. So we have to use the eraser tool to clean up part of the object we don't want or need in this project. Okay, so go back and get the D you duplicated earlier. Okay, there is small error here. Okay, use the position tool. Alright, so you merge the two objects together. Add text. Your company name. You copy, reduce the size, then you can write your tagline. So you can say do the graphic. Okay. Alright, so mesh everything together again. Add texture. So you have added texture. So you need to add. You have to add 3D shape. Click on oblique. Reduce the depth to 1. Change the color to gradient. And choose any color of your choice. Increase the darkness to 75. Okay, intensity, hardness increase to 100 or 97. So you add shadow to it. Reduce the blur. Increase the offset to 3. Make it 4. Okay. You take good. So you have to add a background image. Let's use this. Then send it to back. You send it to back. Alright, so this is what we have now. Okay, so that's how to design 3D DW logo. Okay, so you can also decide to work on the 3D. Okay, like changing the angle. Are you observing? Are you seeing that? So that's what happened. So you can decide to emboss, but that is after saving it as PNG. Okay, that's when you can apply the emboss now. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more tips on how to design like a pro. You design logo, you design a lot of things using your smartphone, and you go to a printing press to print